It's time for the Innovation Award, and we have 3 prize winners, 3rd prize runner-up, and of course the coveted 1st prize in the Innovation Award. We've had entrants from around the world, and I will present them, the 3 prize winners, starting of course with 3rd prize to make things interesting. And I will invite the prize winners to come up here and share their thoughts. But let me read the motivation for the 3rd prize winner. Kinematics, a modular robotic construction kit, is a technology that appeals to all generations, from children to elderly. It focuses explicitly on kinetic motion and also integrates features such as sensors, renewable energy, and basic mechanical training. The jury believes that kinematics offers a fun and simple way of interacting with robotic technology and thus increasing the acceptance for it by society at large. Ladies and gentlemen, the 3rd prize winner of 2013's Innovation Award, Leonard Oschütz, Christian Guder, and Dr. Matthias Bürger from Kinematics Robotics for Children. Yeah. Welcome, gentlemen. Welcome. Welcome. Please. I don't know who usually grabs the mic. Tell us a little bit more about kinematics. How did you come up with this idea?
Well, it was a project at the Bauhaus University Weimar, and well, the task was to come up with a dream machine, some machine that you would want yourself. And the idea was to have a construction kit as Lego, but with moving parts and to control in a simple way. And so Leo came out with a modular construction kit, which is easy to put together and which allows you to build whatever you want to do.
So it's like a Lego robotics kit in a sense.
Pardon?
Like a Lego robotics kit.
Yeah, but easier than anything available on the market so far, because you just put the parts together and they start to move.
Oh, here we go. You just put that together and you've created a caterpillar. This is wonderful. And let's see if the...
And of course, with other bricks, you can build more elaborated, more detailed models. And soon there will be a teach-in included, so that you can show the models you build how to move, and they just make the movement you showed them.
This is great. I will take those home to my children. What's next?
Well, next will be that you can use a smartphone or a tablet as a remote control. And we also want to include the parents as well, because there will be some applications for parents so that they actually play together with their children.
What's the caterpillar doing? Sorry.
For example, that you can put an iPhone onto one of your models, and you can make a little video driving around with a small car and stuff. And we also think, or we got some feedback from industrial robotics, that this connector with integrated data and current flow could also be an interesting thing in industrial robotics, so that you as a user don't have to know the whole technical stuff behind it, that you just have to know how the system shall work. You have to have an image how the system will work, and then you put together your own system, your own production
Combining
system.
Toys and industry, serendipity, like
yeah.
Renaud talked about. Gentlemen, congratulations on winning 3rd prize, and the best of luck from all of us at Robotdalen for the future.
Thank you very much.
Round of applause, please. Thank you. And I'm tempted to take that home with me, I must say. 2nd prize, and I will read the motivation. FurHat is a technology that paves the ground for a new generation of social companions and embodied agents. It consists of simple off-the-shelf hardware that results in a cheap but realistic head compared to traditional mechatronic solutions. The jury finds the technology opening for a new direction of how physical robotic heads can be used for interaction with humans. Foreseen as a social companion, FurHat has a great potential for developing user-friendly systems for the elderly as well as the disabled. In addition, FurHat idea can easily be used as a technology for pursuing virtual meetings. I give you Samir Al-Mubayed, Jonas Beskov, and Gabriel Skanse, FurHat, the social robot head. the runner-up to the 2013 Innovation Award. Congratulations, welcome. Yes, come up, stand. This is your chance to shine in the limelight. Maybe be brave and take a walk on the catwalk. Tell us about Fur Hat. Where is the Fur Hat, by the way?
Yeah, right now he's down at the other end of the hall here.
Okay, tell us about Fur Hat. How did you find this idea?
Yeah, should I take the mic?
Oh yeah, good idea. But that could be a good start.
Yeah, so we've been interested in spoken social communication between humans and machines for a long time, but we started to apply it on physical, on this physical head about 3 years ago in a European project that we had together with the Technical University in Munich and other people. So the idea was to investigate social interaction with robots, basically, and we wanted to leverage what we had done previously on, for example, facial animation and dialogue systems based on speech. So the idea now is that we try to take as much as possible of the human face-to-face interaction paradigm and try to translate that into human-robot interaction, basically. So it involves face recognition and facial expressions and various types of natural language understanding and so on.
So where are you right now? What's happening in the company? Where will you take it to next?
Well, so we're at an early, we're looking at ways to commercialize this. So we started some discussions in that area, but there is no company formed anything yet.
I like all these trios. It's like rock bands. One guy talking and then like the drummer standing looking cool. Maybe, yeah. Who's the inventor?
We can't really pinpoint one. But, so Samer, who was, I was supervising Samer when he was doing his PhD, and this comes...
So he sort of found the idea.
Yes, I mean,
okay. Get used to this. One guy gets the flowers, one guy gets the microphone.
Exactly. Samer did all the hard work here, so it's...
Yeah, congratulations on winning second prize. A round of applause, please. Sorry about the mic. Thank you, gentlemen. The first prize of 2013 Innovation Award, Robotdalen. Electrodress is a bodysuit that relaxes spastic muscles based on electrical muscle stimulation therapy. It improves function and mobility for people with spastic muscles and thus leads to an increased quality of life. The jury finds the electrodress enabling cost-effective rehab and having a potential of being further extended to a commercial product that is tailored for the individual's needs. Although not a classical robotic technology where some form of interaction with the user is common, the jury believes that further development can also be directed toward a product that is more interactive. The first prize winner of 2013's Innovation Award, Electrodress for People in Motion. Welcome. Interventions AB. I had no names here, I only had the corporate name Interventions. But this is Jonas. And then we have Johan, JJ of Interventions. Congratulations.
Thanks a lot.
Show us a little bit what you have here and tell us more about how this works.
Okay, this is a
don't burden them with flowers and prizes. They will win more of that in the future, I'm sure.
Yeah, we are two-man rock band here. Johan is having the upper part of the full bodysuit and I have the pants here. So this is what you put on the patients, and the patients, they are spastic due to, it could be CP, stroke, Parkinson's, several muscle disorders making the muscles spastic. So what we're doing is actually that we're sending small electrical currents through these black pads here and enables the muscles to actually relax.
Where did you find this? What's the background of the product and the idea and Interventions?
The thing is that we are actually not the founders. We are the engineers making this product. The founder is in Finland, actually working with the patients, so he couldn't be here today.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how did you come into the company and at what point? How many work for Interventions now?
We're 5 people working for Interventions now, and we were the first 2 to come in and work with the actual product. So there was an idea of a product, and it was pitched in Dragon's Den. And then we came in to build the first...
Did it win? Did it get funding in Dragon's Den?
Yeah, it did.
Okay, good.
Yeah, it's good.
And now you're out testing it on the market, the end user testing, which we talked about upstairs. What's next?
I mean, what's next is to actually ramp up production, and I think it's interesting that Renault Champion mentioned that is when the actual work begins, and I'm quite happy that this is Johan's responsibility, actually. But I mean, it's quite easy to make a prototype, and this is sort of the scale-up version of the prototype, but actually making something that is production-friendly is a lot more difficult. So that's where we are right now. So we are on the market. We entered the market in early 2013 or late 2012, actually. And since then, we have been selling to customers and ramping up production.
How many hours per week do you work?
Many. That's
too many maybe.
Very lots. But I mean, from the beginning, we started and we came straight from the academy, so we hadn't any experience, so it was natural to work a lot from the beginning, and we have continued with that.
Which academy would that be? It sounds like a military institution.
But, I mean, KTH is good, but you can come through pretty relaxing too.
Well, we wish you the best of luck. It's been a pleasure talking to you, and I ask all of you to join me in saluting Innoventions as the first prize winner of the Innovation Award 2013.
Thank you very much.
Good luck in the future. Thank you so much. And by all means, say hello to Finland. I hope the testing there goes well.